to my YouTube channel Rati and Revels. Some months ago, I shared a demo and review of LG True Steam dishwasher with you guys on my channel. In that video, I also told you the problem with that dishwasher, and I also told you to stay tuned for the updated video. So here it is. Yes, this is the updated video on LG True Steam dishwasher. Keep on watching the video. Please watch this video till the end, as you're going to get some valuable information if you're thinking about purchasing this LG True Steam dishwasher. Some main points that I want to mention here are: I purchased my dishwasher from Reliance Digital. While purchasing the dishwasher from Reliance Digital, I specifically asked them who would do the installation, and they specifically told me that the person from LG is going to come for the installation. But later when I was in confirmation with the LG for return of dishwasher and the additional accessories that I bought from the technician at the time of installation, then I came to know that the person who is installing my dishwasher, was from Reliance Digital and not from LG. I purchased some additional accessories from them for which I wanted to get refund, but unfortunately I was not able to get refund for those, because then I went to Delhi, and after that this lockdown situation came into place. I still not have registered a complaint with Reliance Digital for the additional accessories that I bought with the dishwasher. Also, I would like to mention here that this guy has given me a wrong demo. Where you put the detergent, he actually added the rinse aid, and where you add the rinse aid, he added the detergent. So yes, always call the technician from the company itself and do not go for these third party installations. Here you can see the performance of my original dishwasher machine when I purchased. I actually washed each and everything in this dishwasher, from food processor jars to Caventer glass bottles as well. So you can see here the dishwasher quality. I have already uploaded a video on LG True Steam dishwasher with its complete demo, instructions and a detailed review. Guys, keep the bill safely. This goes for any gadget, any appliance that you purchase. Keep the bill safely till it's under warranty for 2 years, 4 years or 5 years. So here is the bill of my LG True Steam dishwasher, which helped me a lot in getting my refund, because all they asked for the bill copy. Here this is my original dishwasher washing machine, and the technicians are checking up for any damage, scratches, because they are taking this machine to their workshop to rectify the error. Now here the story goes like this: when this heater error came up, then I called up the LG to check. Firstly, they sent a technician who actually rebooted the machine, and he asked me to give him a call if the error pops up again. So next day when I was operating the machine, the error did come up and I called him. After a week he came, and then again he rebooted the machine, but again the same error came. So this actually took 2 to 3 weeks. After 3 weeks of constant calling and emailing, these people came and took the machine to workshop. The machine was left in the workshop for next 2 weeks. And again I started the calling, the mailing process. And after 2 weeks, I got to know that they do not have the part for this, so they are getting the part from Noida. But since it was a new machine, they could not get their hands on its spare part. इसके बाद मुझे कोई और जवाब नहीं मिला। अगेन 2 हफ्ते निकल गए, एंड इन 2 हफ्तों में मैंने अगेन उनको फ़ोन किए, मेल्स किए बहुत सारे, एंड फिर मुझे पता चला कि दीज पीपल आर सेंडिंग मी अ न्यू रिप्लेसमेंट फॉर दिस ओल्ड मशीन। सो अब मेरे पास न्यू रिप्लेसमेंट आती है मशीन की, विच इज़ दिस। This one's unedited. This is the amount of noise this machine makes. Pretty silent. This does not wobble at all or shake. There are no huge vibrations as such. The machine does get pretty hot if you're using hot water. Naturally, dishwasher uses hot water, so the machine gets hot. It's advisable to not touch the front side of the machine. And the touch panel is sensitive. The next clip that you see is of replacement machine with the same error that I sent to LG. Here is your replacement machine, and again it is showing HE error. It's not even 1 week this machine has come. Let me show you what happens when the heater component in dishwasher is not working. Here you can see the condition of the dishwasher. It has hard water stains first of all. Next you can see that the utensils are not getting clean. All the greasy objects, oil, butter, will not get clean. You can see here the food processor part, which is used to knead atta, is also not cleaned. Honestly, guys, returning a dishwasher and getting my refund back was the most toughest thing that I've done in my lifetime. इंडिया में एक ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, जब एक बार ही दुकानदार चीज़ बेच देता है तो वो उसको रिटर्न वापसी नहीं लेता है, रिफंड नहीं करता है, चाहे वो चीज़ खराब हो, फॉल्टी हो, कुछ भी हो। सो वो कस्टमर के सिर पे ही आ जाती है चीज़। गौरव ने, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने, सबने बोल दिया था कि नाउ दिस इज़ अ डिफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट और अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, एलजी भी इसमें कुछ नहीं करेगा। बट आई केप्ट माई काम एंड मैंने एलजी से बहुत ज़्यादा फॉलो अप किया है। आप बोलोगे कि आपने सोशल मीडिया पे एलजी को टैग क्यों नहीं किया? आई डिड टैग देम ऑन सोशल मीडिया, बट एलजी को कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा सोशल मीडिया डीफेमिंग से भी। सो लास्ट रिज़ॉर्ट मेरे पास बस यही था कि अब मैं कंज़्यूमर कोर्ट में जाऊँ, और मैंने लास्ट टाइम बस एलजी को बोला था कि आई एम गोइंग टू फाइल अ कंप्लेंट अगेंस्ट यू, एंड देन ओनली आई गॉट माई रिफंड। मैंने ये डिश वॉशर अगस्त 2019 को लिया था, टू बी प्रिसाइज 15 अगस्त 2019, एंड मेरा जो ये रिफंड का पार्ट था ये दिसंबर एंड तक चला है, टिल क्रिसमस चला है। सो यू कैन सी फॉर मी इट वाज लाइक मैंने अपने पैसे कहीं पे डंप कर दिए हैं, एक कुएं में फेंक दिए हैं जहाँ से मैं अपने पैसे अब रिकवर नहीं कर सकती हूँ। दिस वॉज लिटरली होपलेस फॉर मी। अगस्त में मेरी ये मशीन 5 डेज यूज हुई, सितंबर एंड में मुझे रिप्लेसमेंट मिला और वो रिप्लेसमेंट मेरा 3 दिन चला। तो मैंने ये मशीन यूज ही कब करी है? दिस LG डिशवॉशर मशीन हैज सर्व्ड मी नथिंग। अगस्त से लेके दिसंबर तक मैंने एक ऐसी चीज पे इन्वेस्ट किया है जिसको मैंने यूज ही नहीं किया है। आइडली ना मुझे LG से इंटरेस्ट भी लेना चाहिए था अपने पैसों पे, बिकॉज उन्होंने मुझे डिफेक्टिव पीस डिलीवर किया एंड वो मुझे करेक्ट पीस दे ही नहीं पाए। आई मीन यार, 50,000 रुपए किसके पास होते हैं इसे डंप करने के लिए? एटलीस्ट मेरे पास तो नहीं है। मैंने डिश वॉशर इसलिए लिया था जिससे मेरी लाइफ ईजी हो सके, बिकॉज मेड मेनेज से मैं बहुत परेशान आ चुकी थी। मुझे अपनी मेड को हटाना था एंड नाउ लॉकडाउन सिचुएशन की वजह से वैसे ही मेड हट गई है। डिश वॉशर परचेज करने का मेरा मेन रीज़न यही था, अपनी लाइफ ईजी करने का। एंड डिश वॉशर से बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिट्स भी हैं, आपके बर्तन बिल्कुल क्लीन स्टेरिलाइज्ड होके निकलते हैं, सो स्टमक इन्फेक्शंस के चांसेस लेस होते हैं। बट इस डिश वॉशर ने मुझे इतना परेशान किया है, आई वॉन्ट से डिश वॉशर, बट हाँ, LG एज अ कंपनी ने मुझे बहुत ट्रामेटाइज किया है। इनको अगर पता था ये स्पेयर पार्ट नहीं अवेल करा सकते, इनको पहले ही अपनी मशीन रिटर्न ले लेनी चाहिए थी, बट उन्होंने वो नहीं किया। उन्होंने ये सारा प्रोसेस अगस्त से लेकर दिसंबर तक लिंगर ऑन किया है, विच एक्चुअली मेड मी लूज पेशेंस एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। आई डू लाइक LG अप्लाइंसेज अ लॉट। आई मीन मेरे पास बहुत सारे LG अप्लाइंसेज हैं, बट स्पेसिफिकली विद दिस वन आई हैड अ रियल बैड एक्सपीरियंस। आई विल नॉट से कि हर किसी के साथ ऐसा बैड एक्सपीरियंस होगा, बट स्पेसिफिकली मेरे साथ कुछ ज़्यादा ही बुरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, बिकॉज एक बारी नहीं, 2 बारी इवन रिप्लेसमेंट मशीन भी मेरे पास खराब आई। आई वॉन्ट ब्लेम LG, ठीक है, दिस वॉज अ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिफेक्ट, बट हाँ, फॉर कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन एंड फॉर देयर गुडविल दे शुड हैव टेकन दिस स्टेप लॉन्ग बिफोर, विच दे डिड नॉट टेक। जितनी एक्साइटमेंट मुझे LG TruSteam डिश वॉशर परचेज करने की थी, ऑन द कॉन्ट्रेरी उतनी ही एक्साइटमेंट मुझे अभी है जब ये डिश वॉशर जा रहा है। टफेस्ट टास्क फॉर मी टू गेट माई रिफंड बैक फ्रॉम LG, बट आफ्टर मेनी ट्रेल्स ऑफ emails, phone calls, I did get my refund back, and here these people are taking the dishwasher back and they are also going to give me the check. So yes guys, that's it. LG has taken back its dishwasher and they have refunded me the money as well. Well, this process was not at all easy. It actually took 4 to 5 months. Tell you, my original dishwasher which I received was replaced once. I got absolute new packed and sealed new dishwasher in replacement for this defective dishwasher, but to our surprise again the same issue was in the replacement dishwasher as well. For the first 2 days LG TruSteam dishwasher worked fabulously. If this dishwasher is with you and you do not have this kind of heater error in your dishwasher, then I can actually imagine how good this dishwasher is. Actually, the thing is that this dishwasher has good build quality. Even the interior utensil rack, fans, exterior body all have good quality, but only due to this heater problem I had to return this dishwasher. Otherwise, when this LG TruSteam dishwasher was working, it was working fantabulous. I was so happy with its result. Chai ka bartan, doodh ka bartan, each and every bartan would came out so sparkling, clean and shiny. I was in love with this dishwasher, but sadly, I had to return this dishwasher and now I have got my money refunded. When this heater error came, I was told that Since this is a new model in the market, that's why they could not replace the heater and they sent me a new machine as a replacement. But again, in the new machine, the same error was there, and that was like a wake up call for me. I was after LG on mail, on WhatsApp, on call. If the new machine in 4 or 5 uses is showing this kind of error, heater error is something that happens once in lifetime of a machine, and that is actually a main part in the dishwasher, because if the dishwasher is not able to heat up the water, it will not be able to clean your utensils as well. So it is a main component of the dishwasher, and this error happens once in lifetime of a dishwasher. So yes, I was kind of frightened and skeptical at the same time that what will happen in future if this new machine is giving me trouble, then what will happen in future, because this dishwasher is expensive in the market. I would say this is priced at the highest right now in the market, and this is the latest version in LG dishwasher. Although I loved the quality, build, color, touch, feel, everything of this dishwasher, but sadly I had to return. So yes guys, now I have got my money back. But I would say if you have LG TruSteam dishwasher and it is working fine, then I know how much happy you would be with this dishwasher. I know, because I have seen its performance and it was at par, it was brilliant. So yes, this was my experience with LG TruSteam dishwasher. I hope it helped. For more such interesting videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like if this video is helpful to you. You can also follow me on my social media handles. You can also connect over Instagram. All the links are in description box below. I will catch you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.